Hi everyone, let me just show you again how to draw a frame and a title block on your page, so you have the video. Firstly, this is an A4 page, so we will use a border of 10 millimeters. I'm going to use my compass, but you can use your ruler if you want to. So you set your compass to 10 millimeters. As you can see here, it is to 10 millimeters. Okay. Then what I do is at the corners, because it is set on my drawing board, so I know that if I'm going to take my T-square and put it like this, I'm going to have a line on this side all the way through, so I don't have to measure on the top as well. I just need to measure on one side. So I put my sharp point at the end, measure 10 millimeters, make myself a mark. As well, that is the line that's going to go like this. We need a line going like this. So I'm making another 10 millimeter mark on my page. There we go. And need one on this side that goes up. We'll make myself a mark. Okay. And the top one, okay, that is my 10 millimeter marks. Now I can start drawing my border. Make sure not to draw the line all the way to the end of the page, because we don't want any lines inside. Here I can use this mark I made as a guide to where this mark goes. See, I'm not drawing it all the way through to the other side. Then I need to draw a line straight up from this mark I made. The other side as well. And then the last line is the top line. See, now I can look at my border if there's any places that I missed where the lines aren't connecting. So here is a little place that I can fill up, and there we go. That is the border. Now for the title block that we use, it goes from the border upwards 22 millimeters. Upwards 22 millimeters. Make myself a mark. That's the height. We move in 80 millimeters. So I set my compass to 80. As you can see, my compass is set to 80 millimeters. And I put my sharp point on the one side. I measure in, make myself a mark where 80 should be, and then on the other side as well. That is my 80 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw my line straight up where my 80 millimeter mark is. There it is. it's 80, and on the other side as well. The next part, we need to go from this line to 8 millimeters down, and from the border 8 millimeters up. So I take my ruler, I measure 8 millimeters up and 8 millimeters down. Made my 2 marks, I put down my T-square on the mark and I draw the line through. There we go. Now for this is where we are going to write. What I do is lightly, this is my line, just above this line, I draw myself a construction line, and on the other side as well. Then I measure 3 millimeters up onto 3, and I can make myself another construction line. I do the same at the bottom, just beneath this line over here, just a bit beneath it. I draw myself a construction line, measure 3 millimeters down, in this section is where the title of the drawing is going to be. I'm going to write title, but for this drawing, the drawing that you are going to draw on the grid, for example geometric construction or something like that, draw a line at the bottom and measure 5 millimeters up. Five. Now we have our construction lines. Now we can start doing our block writing for EGD. In the first one, we are going to write our name. That's our name. Beneath is our grade. Grade. Then on this side, first one is our scale. and then beneath it is the date. And in this place is this is all 3mm and this is 5mm. This is what the construction lines are for, guidelines. Our title is going to stand here. That's our title. So that is what our title block looks like for an A4 paper.